Hi, my name is Vios. I am a full-time internet marketer. I have been using Builderall for 1 year now and very happy that I did.
I will be covering the main features of Builderall and pros and cons. In the future I will keep this review updated in case they add any additional features. What is Builderall? Builderall is an all-in-one internet marketing platform packed with essential tools to help small business owners and marketers leverage their digital efforts. Builderall gets all the tools you need in one place. From sales funnels, website builders, landing pages, sales pages, CRM, autoresponders, heat map to analytics and so much more depending on the plan you choose. What is included? It includes many features which will blow your mind: Cheetah Website Builder, Cheetah Funnel Builder, unlimited membership areas, mobile perfection, blogging app, super checkout for affiliate sales control, bump sells, up sales and down sales, countdown, evergreen, fixed date timers, A/B split testing, page loading accelerator, mobile page loading accelerator, smart pop-up, website sharing, funnel sharing, full SEO on page optimization, SSL certificate, email marketing, drag and drop email marketing automation, responsive email builder, email scarcity timers, super fast CDN servers, website daily backup, DDoS attack prevention, CRM, SMS messaging, professional messenger chatbot, professional website bot, WordPress 3-click integration, Builderall unlimited magazine builder, Builderall webinar app, Builderall evergreen webinar builder, Facebook live streaming tool, YouTube live streaming tool, Builderall drag and drop e-learning education platform, Builderall directory builder, VA access and many more given as bonuses. The website builder. It includes 1. Pixel Perfect Builder. It create pages without the hassle of manual coding and designing. This application is a must-try. The Pixel Perfect Builder, also known as the Drag and Drop Builder, is a program created specifically for site and page creation. Essentially, the application is used to build an outline, website landing page sales page, but what's remarkable about it is that you don't have to begin from scratch. Rather, you can choose from its extensive collection of templates. 2. Canvas Funnel Builder. Here's what you can do inside the tool: choose a funnel template and use it as it is. Choose a funnel template and tweak it to how you want it. Build your own from scratch by pulling different pages and attach them to one. If you are a beginner, one thing you should be wary of is your sales funnel. One of the most critical factors in managing an online business is the arrangement of your sales funnel, or how you lure a potential customer down to the funnel and convert it into real sales. Failure to create an efficient customer path can also lead to little, or worst, no sales. 3. E-commerce. If you plan on selling products, both physical and digital, online, the e-commerce feature could help you supply what you need. 4. Webinar. Being true to its name, Builderall also added a feature wherein users could create webinars. It is an interactive webinar where you can do things such as live video streaming, share screen, and record a webinar. The Mailing Boss Autoresponder. Email marketing is one of the vital aspects of your online business, and failure to implement this part will result in a downhill slope. The Mailing Boss Autoresponder is an automated email system wherein users can send emails and respond accordingly. One of its many impressive features is the list segmentation, which helps users to segregate leads depending on their behavior. Here are a few actions automated response Mailing Boss provides. 1. Trigger actions. Transfer the contact to a different list. Send a new email offer. Add a tag. 2. Select actions to unclicked emails. Send a new email campaign. Move to another list. Alter the field name. When it comes to its user interface, the application did not change much. However, it looks neater and more organized compared to before. The colors are slightly brighter now, too, making it look livelier. Who is it for? If you a beginner or even an expert, this is the best platform for you, since everything you need from building your list and creating high-converting sales page is here. Claim your free trial below and you will forget all the other platforms.